Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you update your site. So what you do, you got your coastwide meets here, open up another tab, should be across there. You might make it a bit bigger, make the screen a bit bigger. So you got coastwide meets, open up a new tab, and then you got /administrator. That there will give you your back end. Go on with your login details, go to login. And you'll see once you're in here, you've got an area called content, site menus, content, go to article manager. From here, these are all the pages in your site set up into categories. So for instance, if you want to change your home page, click on home. Here's the home page text. I wouldn't be messing with these images too much because there's a bit of code going behind there, but you can change this text here if you want to. This text here, you can change that to whatever you like. And once you've changed it, you go to hit apply. When you hit apply, it doesn't close the page. So what you do then is you hit apply. I'll give you an example. Let's just put @ on the end of that. This is an example. Hit apply. See how the page stays open? Because if we want to make any more changes, we can. Go back to this tab where your website is, refresh the page, and @ is there. So we want to take that away. So we go back to the site, go back to @, delete that, apply, keeps the page open. Once you're happy with the way it's looking, you hit save and it will close the page. This just stops you from going back and forwards. Go back to your tab, hit the refresh button, and @ is gone. So we've just got @ there. From here, you've got a few other pages in the site. You've got your testimonials. So you go back to your admin section, and you'll see a testimonials link. Click on that. Any testimonials you get, you can add into this area. Normally people put the newest one to the top. You've got a few options here that you can do. I wouldn't mess with things too much. You'll start throwing out the code, but basically you put your cursor where you want your next lot of text to be, hit the return key a couple of times, go back up, type in your text here, and then you can hit apply. Go to your testimonials page, refresh the page, and let's check that it's how you want it to look. We don't want to do that, so but if you're just going there as an example, if I just hit close now, it won't save it, and so it's back to how it was. So you close out. Now the other side that you're going to need to edit is maybe your about us page. Where have we put that? If you're looking for a page and you're not sure where it is, you can just go to the search field and you can go about, and there's your about us page will appear. Otherwise you just have to go through the list. Then you can change this to your heart's content, put in whatever you want. Once again, apply it till you're happy, save it when you're finished. To change, we've got an order form set up here. So on your order form, this is generated on the fly. So what you do is you go to the category that you want to edit. So let's say for instance you want to edit your weekly specials. We go to your, get rid of that about there, and we can reset it. Go to the category for weekly specials, and you'll see all your weekly specials come up. So from the bottom you've got prime yearling steak. There's your prime yearling steak. So let's say for instance you want to change the price. Go to prime yearling steak. Great on the barbecue. That's that text there. Change the name if you want to. I wouldn't mess with things too much for the Google side of things, but that'll change that. And to change the price, go to your meta information, and there's where you change your price. So if you want to make that $12.99, I'll do it as an example. Go to apply so it doesn't close. Go back to the form. It's at $13.99. Hit the refresh button. And there's now $12.99. Now if we put this quantity in, what we've done with the programming here is the form automatically updates there to $12.99, or if we do 2, well, that's 12. 2, there's $25.98, and then it'll automatically load into this area, ready for your order. We'll put it back to where it was, so it's not $12.99. So we'll go back to the meter information, make it $13.99, and hit save. If you want to change something in your beef, for instance, say you marinated steak, so each area here and here, and also your titles, lamb, pork, chicken, veal, etc., are in the category view. So you'll see them all here. So to quickly go to veal, just click on veal, and there's all your veal items. Click on veal long fillet, change the details if you want to, go to your meta information, change the price, apply it and save when you finish, and that'll automatically change. That's how you change your form pricing. Your specials page, you could probably just override these. So if you just go to content article manager, we're in veal at the moment, so we want to get back out of that. Let's go back to select category. It'll display everything, and you can just put in specials here. Here's your specials page, and you can just override. I would just highlight and change it, because there's a bit of code going in there which generates these colours, but if you, all they are is just these little green box, code here, blue box, etc. You don't need to know about that. Just go over it, retype what you want to retype, like you're doing here, put your price in, hit save, and you'll be done. I'm just going to close so it doesn't save that. That's what you do to change your specials page. Products, so you got a products page which goes to individual page about items. So what you can do from that, we'll reset this. What do we got? Products page, there we go. There's the wording, which is on that page. Which is on that page there. These areas on the left, these are based off the form. So if you changed your form, what I've done to do this, so if I go to beef, if I go to order form, and I go to beef, what I've done to generate this easily was I highlight all this to here, to the price, because what we've done, let's go here, highlight all this to here, drag it down to the pricing that you want, do a Control C which will copy it, and then get out of that, go to the beef page. Okay, here's the beef page. And from here we can paste in our new form content based off the pricing. So if I just give an example of that, just overridden it. At the moment we've got, see, we've got a kilo and a pricing rate. What we'll do is we'll highlight the first two, and then here is an area to delete those, remove those columns. Remove column, remove column. That gives us our updated pricing. And then once we've done that, there's our new form content, there's our old form content. We can just override this, and we can delete and get out of there. Once you've done that, hit the apply button, check that it's alright, and save. I'll just close that. That's pretty much it. So I'll upload this to YouTube and I will send you a copy. Once you've done everything, set the close. Make sure when you're finished changing things on your site, you close and then you hit the log out button. Here we go, log out. Alright, we're back to there. Here's your website, make your changes, and done. I'll upload it and I'll send you a copy.